Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Stellenbosch FC have announced the signings of two players from Kaizer Chiefs, Ashley Dupree and also Given Msimango. Here is a statement from Stellenbosch FC. Firstly, on the announcement of Given Msimango, the statement says, Stellenbosch Football Club is pleased to announce the signing of defender Given Msimango on a permanent transfer from Kaizer Chiefs. The 29-year-old centre-back arrives in Stellenbosch with extensive experience to his name, having made more than 150 appearances across spells with Highlands Park, TS Galaxy and Kaizer Chiefs during his professional career. Here is what Given Msimango said. It feels good to be part of Stellenbosch FC. This is a great environment with good management and fantastic coaching staff. A team that wants to compete, which are all the ingredients you need for success. Stellenbosch is an ambitious team that wants to compete and win things. The team recently competed in the CAF Confederations Cup, and I want to compete with the club at the highest level and try to reach those heights again. I want to stay consistent with my performances and try to help the team as much as I can. I'm here to work hard for the club and I've already received messages of support from our fans, so I hope to be able to make them happy this season. Those are the words of new signing Given Msimango. Msimango will wear jersey number 30 this season and could be in line to make his debut when Stellenbosch FC takes on Polokwane City in the Betway Premiership on the 11th of August. That's the statement from Stellenbosch regarding the signing of Given Msimango. And Kaizer Chiefs also released a statement. It says, Kaizer Chiefs defender Given Msimango has also joined Stellenbosch FC. Msimango, who joined Kaizer Chiefs from TS Galaxy ahead of the 2023-24 season, made a strong impact during his time at Naturena. The 29-year-old international featured in 53 official matches across all competitions, bringing leadership and consistency to Amakosi's backline. We thank him for his contribution and wish him all the best. That's the statement from Kaizer Chiefs. And on another signing, here is what Stellenbosch said regarding the signing of Ashley Dupree. It says, Stellenbosch Football Club is pleased to announce the signing of Ashley Dupree on a permanent transfer from Kaizer Chiefs in a deal that sees the Idas Valley-born star returned for a second spell at the club. Dupree started his professional career with Stellenbosch FC in 2016 and made 98 appearances across all competitions during his 6-year spell with the club before joining Kaizer Chiefs ahead of the 2023-24 season. The 29-year-old spent 4 years at Naturena, during which he helped Amakosi to win the 2025 Nedbank Cup trophy, but now has made a sensational return to the Cape Winelands after penning a new long-term deal with the Maroons. And here's what Ashley Dupree said after signing for the club. I always knew that I would come back to Stellenbosch. It's great to be back where I grew up and at the club where it all started for me, and to be part of the Stellenbosch family again. The community knows me very well and has supported me since the start of my professional career. So being a local player representing the club again is a huge honor and a privilege for me. It's an amazing feeling to be back. And here is what Stellenbosch CEO Rob Bernardi said. He is also an exceptional footballer who has constantly proven his quality in the Betway Premiership over a number of years, and we believe he will add enormous value to our squad, both on and off the pitch. That's the statement from Stellenbosch FC CEO Rob Bernardi. And Ashley Dupree has been handed the iconic jersey number 10 for the 2026-27 season and could be in line to make his debut when Stellenbosch FC takes on Polokwane City in the Betway Premiership on the 11th of August. And Kaizer Chiefs also released a statement on the exit of Ashley Dupree. It says, Chiefs confirm Dupree's move to Stellenbosch. Kaizer Chiefs striker Ashley Dupree has left the club to join Stellenbosch FC in the Western Cape. We extend our gratitude to Ashley for serving the club with diligence, dedication, and professionalism, and we wish him all the best in his career. That's the statement from Kaizer Chiefs. Those are the signings that Stellenbosch has made. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Stellenbosch FC signing Ashley Dupree and also Given Msimango from Kaizer Chiefs on permanent transfers? Are you happy with these transfers? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.